Hi, I'm Devin Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library, and I'm here today with a very quick and easy and fun... Oh yeah, and my assistant Elliot is here with me too to show you a really cool activity you can do called fireworks in a jar. We've never tried this before. It's the first time, so let's see. It's really simple. All you need at home is some food coloring, some oil, and a jar that's filled 3/4 of the way with warm water. So we're going to put 4 tablespoons of oil in our dish. Let's see. So I've got a 1/2 tablespoon. So we're going to do 8. 1. Will you help me count them? 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's it. We did it. Now, so we've got our oil in our dish. Now we're going to do about 4 drops of each food coloring. Can you spread it out and do 4 drops of each color in there?
Which one?
We'll start with green. So do 4 drops of green, but sprinkle them around. So 1 here. Good job. Okay.
Now let's try blue.
Let's try blue now.
Let's do blue fireworks.
Yeah.
And we have to make red fireworks. But if we don't, then we won't have any.
Yeah, we want to have our red fireworks, definitely. Here, I'm going to turn this around too so you can get some over here. A little more red. Good work.
Let's try a little bit. Let's try a white yellow.
Okay. I'm going to sprinkle it all around.
It's not coming.
Good work. Okay, so now we're going to take our fork and we're going to gently mix them together a little bit. Try to mix in the oil and the food coloring. Okay, now I think this is the cool part. So just set those aside. We're done with the food coloring for now, and we're going to pour it in.
But I'm going to show you.
I think we're done with the food coloring.
I'm just making a...
Okay, now set them to the side. We'll stir that in. All right, now here we go. Now we're just gonna pour this in here gently.
Can I do it? I'm gonna do it.
Okay, can you help me? And then we'll zoom in. Super. Let's see. Whoa.
Look what happened, Daddy. Look what happened.
Let's see. We're going to see the oil and the water start to separate.
You're not looking. Look what happened. Brown.
It does look yellowish brown, doesn't it? So the food coloring dissolves in water, but not oil, because the food coloring is less dense. The oil is less dense than water, and it floats to the top.
I'm just going to do a new color.
We don't need any more of that. And once the colors sink into the water, they'll start dissolving, and it looks like little explosions. So that's the science behind this. So we'll see it start to separate more and get in there and see it. That's pretty cool.
Wow. Now it's yellower.
Yes. Now we'll put the lids back on, and we made fireworks together.
I'm gonna make I make a firework.
You did.
No, just kidding. I was just.
All right. So easy to try at home. You've probably got all the ingredients you need on hand for your very own fireworks in a jar experiment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.
Mom,
Bye.